Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the first trading day of the month, 1st of March, and we had amazing volatility today and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. So let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, beginning of the week, yesterday, we were long, bank beautiful pips. Today we were short, especially when the price respected this trend support, developed a third touch, and after this candle, we had we have this breakout and bank beautiful pips, and we keep taking a pullback short trade here and bank amazing profit. Right now, if you look at price nicely hit to the previous low and sort of like develop a false breakout, and that's the good sign. And we'll see tomorrow if the price is going to stay below this level, then probably going to be a continuation. Otherwise, if the price develop false breakout, then possibility of reversal. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the intraday charts, and this morning, as you can see here, once the price was at this level, we have taken this breakout. In intraday, this was the breakout because we have the confirmation. Previously, price developed a double top here in intraday, broken this previous low. So safest trade would be look for this breakout. That's what happened in 4 hours. This was the breakout. Once the price break, and then explain to my trader, keep taking a pullback. So our first target always be the first VIP channel, which you can see here, price nicely hit. Afterwards, we have another pullback and beautiful, not nice target hit and bank beautiful pips. In the London morning session and in the New York session, I updated my analysis, explained to my trader, as long as the price gonna stay at this level, we keep taking a pullback, or if the price gonna break the previous high and retest, then long here. You can see here price nicely retest this level and afterwards breakout and again breakout. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, that was our final target. Technically our final target was the previous low in 4 hour. That's what explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. And now you can see here how nicely price respected and came back here. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, guys, and let me make it this one here. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, yesterday and Monday we were long at this level. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is also given in the video description. So today, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price nicely respected the previous high. After this candle, we had a beautiful breakout short trade here, and we keep banking pullbacks, and our target was the previous low, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. And if you look at the today's intraday analysis and London morning session, let me explain to you guys. This was the analysis here in 4 hour. That's the level. Once the price respected in intraday, we have double top is been developed, and that's what I explained to my trader. Price broken this level, and we're looking here pullback at this level or breakout, as mentioned here, as you can see here in the analysis. So price broken, nice profit target hit, bank some profit. Price came back, and the another analysis activated. You can see here at this level exactly. That's what we announced to guys. Keep taking another pullback. We can see here beautiful because we already had a confirmation in 4 hour. So we had another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, bank some profit. As you can see here, explain my traders to bank some profit. And at the New York session, we had another beautiful trade. As you can see here, once we bank some profit at this level here, price came back here. Safest trade, explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break the previous low, the safest way. As you can see here, price nicely broken based on the analysis. Price nicely broken this previous low candle, and beautiful. After the breakout, we have another pullback, retest, beautiful. And as soon as the price develop double bottom and hit to the previous low level in 4 hour, that's what explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, such amazing beautiful short trade on pound dollar. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting move. As you can see here in 4 hour, yesterday we had taken, that's the best trade of the day yesterday. Today we also had a long trade here. So technically what happened here, we were expecting a short trade here at this level, pullback. So we had this pullback short trade here, bank few PPs, and then we have another short trade here, bank few PPs. Once the price develop a false breakout, that's what I explained to my trader. Now keep taking a pullback, because now the price develop a false breakout. It means the price refuse to stay below this level, which was previously broken. And we have a double bottom, and now triple bottom is developed. Let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit. If you look at the intraday charts, we have first, we had this breakout. We have this breakout short trade here. You can see here, that was the beautiful breakout short trade. Price nicely hit to the previous low level, bank few PPs. In London morning, as you can see here, price reverse, and we have this candle rejection. We have another breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, bank few more PPs, and after that price reverse. Then I did another analysis. I explained to my trader. Now you can see here, price impulsively reverse, and we have price develop a false breakout. We have a triple bottom here, so more likely the price is going to, so but we need a confirmation if the price gonna break, which price nicely broken. As you can see here, after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. Momentum was bullish, price nicely broken, and we another pullback. We have another pullback. Once we get the confirmation in high time frame in 4 hour, then we enjoy taking pullbacks on intraday system. As you can see here, we have this breakout, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band, as you can see here, price sort of develop a double top here, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, as you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we define the entries and exit. This is happening every day live through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. I hope you enjoy, guys. All right, as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis. That's the beauty and interesting part of it, and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in this Forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market, with the live audio commentary support, and you will get feedback on all of your trades, so you can develop your trading skills effectively. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train traders with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.